not. It's not only 16% of persons that we intend to vaccinate. What it is that what we would want to ensure is that in the first phase of delivery, that we do get to the high-risk groups and the vulnerable groups, and to ensure that those persons are vaccinated. Once it is that we have completed those persons, which puts the population on a whole in a good position, because if you know that your vulnerable groups are vaccinated, then certainly you know that your incidence of hospitalizations and severe outcomes are going to decrease. And once you are able to vaccinate your healthcare workers where the risk of exposure is highest in a healthcare setting, then you know that you will be able to continue your health services, and also a lot of the essential health services that might have been put on hold because of this dealing with COVID, we will be able to restart those, including surgeries and other outpatient services.